Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you my weekly kitchen cleaning routine. It's gonna rain all day today, and this rain actually started yesterday. So this morning it stopped for a few hours, then again it started. So we were not planning to go anywhere. So I thought this is the perfect time for me to just go in and clean entire house. So I already cleaned my first floor and I have shared that video before, so I'm gonna link it up here as well as in the description box below in case if you are interested. So this is what I do with my kitchen on weekly basis. Of course I do clean my kitchen every single day, but it's not possible for me to clean from top to bottom. So it's really important that I do clean it every week, because we cook a lot and all the smoke, all the stickiness, it just gets stick to this cabinet, and eventually if I don't clean it, it just doesn't look nice. So this is what I do on weekly basis. This is the deep cleaning. I clean it from inside as well as outside also. So all the cleaning supply which I'm using, I'm gonna link it down below in the description box, but here I'm using the Pledge. And the reason I like this one is because it's a multi-surface. I can get clean the granite, the stainless steel, the cabinet, which is wood. So I don't need to keep so many different cleaning supply. I can just get the job done with this. And I'm using the microfiber here because, again, I don't want to have any scratches on my counter. So microfiber is really good for that. So these are the cabinet which I use it on regular basis, because this one has all my utensil, all my regular pots and pans. So compared to the other side, these are the ones that get used, I don't know, more than 100 times in a day. So it's really important for me that it stay clean, and kitchen is actually the heart of the house, right? So the moment I wake up, this is where I come, and I never leave anything in my sink. Before I go to sleep at night, I always make sure the kitchen is clean. There is no any dishes left in the sink. And yes, if you see me right now, I'm really hot mess. But that's okay. You know, I love cleaning, and especially the kitchen. I really make sure that it's clean, stay clean all the time. And here I'm cleaning my stove. Now this is not the weekly thing, this is actually the every single day thing. So here I'm using the brush which I bought it, I believe, from Target, but it's non-scratching brush. So for this kind of stuff, it's really important that you have the brush that's not gonna make any scratches on it. So sometimes I use the baking soda and vinegar combination, so it's all depend how much time I have and what I'm in mood to actually. So here I'm using this cleaning thing, and after I clean with the brush, I let it stay there for about a few minutes, and then I go ahead and clean it with a microfiber napkin. The other thing which I do it on weekly basis, that I take any screwdriver or any Sharpie thing, I wrap the napkin around it, and then I go the space which I have between the stove and the counter, because you know when you cook, the things get splashed around and it just gets stuck in there. So this is how I clean that part. And also on monthly basis, I pull the entire stove out and I clean it from behind also. Other thing which I do it on weekly basis, that I make sure the vent is clean, because I do have the exhaust fan right there. So I take the vent out, soak it in the soapy water for a few minutes, clean it with the clean water, and then put them back, which I already did here. And I do have the light above my stove, so that's what I'm making sure here, that also nice and clean. So this is how the other side looks like. I do have some dishes which I need to clean because I'm running the dishwasher right now, and these are some that I need to clean. So I will go ahead and do that first, and then I'll tackle the cabinet as well as the counter. The other thing which I do it is I clean the refrigerator from top because it gets so sticky, and that is the one thing my cleaning lady always forget, and if I don't remind her, she don't remember to clean it. So I don't like it, and yes, nobody goes there and touch top of the refrigerator, but it's just me that it's in my mind, and I need to make sure that that stay clean also. So I do have the cabinets on top of the refrigerator. I don't put anything in there because those cabinets stay empty, but I still clean it from inside as well as the outside, and that time I clean from the top of the refrigerator also. So once everything is clean from top to bottom, it's time to clean the floor now. For mop, I'm using Bona, and I would highly recommend this if you have the hardwood floor. Once the floor is clean, I also turn the candle on, and that set the mood. It says that wrap it up, kitchen is closed now. So this is it, friends. I hope you like this video. I do have the detailed video where I'm sharing my entire kitchen as well as the pantry. So if you are interested, I'm gonna link it up here as well as in the description box. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.